So yes guys, there you have it. We're gonna be doing some watermelon jerk chicken with with basmati rice seasoned up with scallion and creamy salted butter with shredded carrot and shredded sweet potato. This watermelon barbecue chicken is gonna be an epic experience today. So guess what guys, don't go nowhere. I'm gonna strike up the fire and get this epic experience on the road. Watermelon jerk chicken, only on Manix Robinson TV. I already washed the chicken, cut it up, clean it up, everything. Wash my onion, my scallions, and my garlic. So the first thing I'm gonna do, this guy right here, the watermelon, I'm gonna take out a slice. Dice him up like this. Dice him up, dice up the watermelon. Like that. Guys, it is preferably, if you're gonna try this menu, preferably you use a seedless watermelon. Right? Then I'm gonna dice him up. Garlics, and crush them. And then we're gonna add these guys to it. Yeah. Some adobe seasoning. A little bit of allspice. Soya sauce. Then guys, this is where it gets excited. We're gonna rub everything in. Let's crush the watermelon, the onion, the garlic, the scallion, and all the seasoning that we put in there. Yeah. We're gonna make a nice marinade sauce with everything, guys. Yeah. That's it right there. Yeah. Watermelon jerk chicken. Yeah. You can see the chunks of onions and the watermelon, and we just rubbing all the seasoning up in this guy right here. And we just crushing up all the remaining watermelon, you know, with the onion and the garlics and the scallion and the seasoning, and all of those guys, you know, they are coming in together. Yep. Look at that nice, rich marinade sauce that the chicken is in. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that, people. Look at that. Unbelievable. And we're gonna rub them up some more. So these guys right here are the seasoning. We're just gonna just crush them out, you know, crush them out, crush out the watermelon, the onion, the garlics, the scallion. Yeah, taken care of. So I've already put in everything in there, all the seasoning and everything. Watermelon is the secret ingredients. So this guy right here, as you can see, you know, you can see the watermelon, the scallion, the onion, and the garlics, and all of them. We just squeeze them up together and squeeze out all the juice them, all of them combined together to give it an epic marinade experience right now. Yeah, big up to Fitville every time. Big up to Fitville. Much love, much respect every time. All right, guys. So we're gonna let the chicken marinate for a few minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put it on the grill, and then we're gonna have ourselves some watermelon jerk chicken. I am getting ready to put the chicken on the grill, but guess what? The chicken has been marinating for 2 days now in that watermelon juice. Let's go check on this thing together. All right, let's go. So this is it, guys. This is it right here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. A little bit of olive oil. Yep. Yeah. So this chicken don't stick to it. Yeah. This right there. Look at that. Beautiful, right? So I say, my viewers, this chicken has been marinating for 2 days in watermelon juice. If you can only smell it. Crazy. Beautiful. what I'm gonna do with these guys, stay around to find out. I'm not gonna share the secret yet. These guys, you're not showing them away. But stay tuned and observe and see what we're gonna do with it. So while this chicken is on the grill, I'm gonna close it down, and then we're gonna check out the rice to see what's going on. So guys, I just put on the pot for the rice. Now I'm gonna put in the salt, the scallion, the butter, and the coconut milk. Yeah. Just crush out this guy a little. Yeah. Put him in the pot. I'm not gonna put a lot of salt because the stick butter is already salty, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to use the whole entire stick of butter. Yep, that's it right there. And then the coconut milk. Shake it up. And sometimes it's settled. It's settling when it's sitting on the shelf, so make sure you shake it up, guys. Yeah. You can, guys. Yep. Stir it up. And we're gonna let the coconut milk like cook a little, the scallion, let the butter melt before I put in the rice. Yeah. Yeah. Gonna cover it up. And that's it. I'll be steaming some basmati rice with some coconut milk and some shredded carrot and some shredded sweet potato. So right now I'm just letting the coconut milk. I'm gonna let it like simmer for a couple minutes. The scallion also, let the butter melt before I add the carrot and the sweet potato and the rice. Prepare the carrots and the sweet potato to put in the pot with the rice, because the coconut milk and the scallion and the butter is already, already coming together. So it's the right time now to put in these guys. So I'm gonna just shave these guys. You can hear the chicken getting jerked right now while I'm doing this, guys. You can hear that melodious sound coming from the grill. So let's grate these guys. Shred them, I should say. Shred. Yeah. So now we're gonna put these guys in the pot, all with the roasted rice. These guys are ready. Let's go. Yep. And now we're gonna add in our sweet potato and our shredded sweet potato and shredded carrot. Yep. This is the basmati rice in coconut milk, butter, scallion, and I just added the shredded carrot and sweet potato. So we're just gonna let it steam. And that's it. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Mix everything in so that it's evenly spread, evenly cooked. Yeah. Wrap these guys up in foil paper. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on these guys. Wrap them up in the aluminum foil, and we're gonna put them on the grill. Yep. There we go, guys. Brush it up with the olive oil, you know, so that when it bakes, I get this olive oil taste, and it also helps in the baking process. Yeah. These guys on the grill. Yeah. Yep. Guys, if you can only smell it, beautiful. Cover this guy down. Look at this. Wow. Look at this guy right here. This is the sweet potato, carrot, coconut, milk, basmati rice. Wow, that's a lot of names. This is the shredded carrot, shredded sweet potato, basmati rice in coconut milk. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Guys, if you don't, if you're a rice lover and you want to, you know, you just feel like doing something different and you don't want to cook the plain rice, you can do it like this, man. Look at that. Wow. So I'm just gonna let him simmer because it's almost cooked. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna take out the chicken. The chicken is ready. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the watermelon chicken right there. Look at that. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Yep. So I'm gonna wrap it up with foil paper. Let it keep warm while my sweet potatoes are being baked. Beautiful. Look at that. Look what I'm gonna do with it. Put it in my little saucepan right here. Yeah. Just like that. little bit of olive oil. You know what we're gonna do with this, guys? We're gonna make some gravy to eat with the chicken, because I cook some rice. So you know you can't just eat chicken and rice like that. You gotta have some gravy. So this is the gravy that I'm making to go with the chicken. But guess what? We're gonna put it in the grill with the sweet potatoes right now. Cover it up with a piece of fire like this. Yep. Then we're gonna put it on the grill just like that, guys. Ready? Yeah. Almost ready, guys. There we go. So there you go, guys. I'm almost finished. The rice is done. The chicken is done. The sweet potato is almost done. Just put on the gravy to go with everything. Guys, this is gonna be a epic watermelon jerk chicken experience. No joke about it. I can't wait for it to finish. I taste piece of the chicken and the chicken. Guys, if you don't believe me, try it for yourself, man. I'm not saying it because I am doing it. If you don't believe me, try it for yourself. Watermelon jerk chicken, seasoned with Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. But wonderful, guys. It came out beautiful. I tell you right now, there's no chicken in the grill. There's no chicken on the grill right now, but because of the burn, the seasoning that is still on the surface or the grate, you can still smell it come rise up from the grill. Oh my goodness. Don't take my word for it. If you don't believe, try it for yourself. Okay, my wife is gonna be happy when she comes home from work today. Yeah. The kids them don't really like jerk chicken. I don't know what's up with them. But my wife gonna be excited when she come home from work. Yeah. But yes, guys, we're almost finished. We're almost there. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Wow. I can smell the gravy. The gravy. These guys are ready. Yep. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at this guy right here. That's the gravy right there, guys. Look at that. It is hot like a fire. Nice. Yep. Beautiful. That's it, guys. After about 10 more minutes. Guys, wow. Look at that golden texture right there. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. Look at that right there. So, this is the potato. Man, guys, this is well done. So guys, So guys, I'm gonna take out these guys now because they are done. Yep. Yep. That's it. Beautiful. That's the sweet potatoes right there, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. Food done cook. Food done cook. Food done cook. Food done cook. What we tell them? Sing with me. Sing with me. Sing with me. Sing with me. Food done cook. Food done cook. Food done cook. Food done. Food done. Food done cook. Rah! So yes, guys. So guess what? We finished now. Chicken is finished. Rice is finished. Sweet potato finished. Gravy finished. Everything is complete, guys. So know what is that we're gonna do right now? We're gonna sample the food. Yeah, we're gonna eat some of it, see what it tastes like, and give you an honest take. So don't go nowhere. I'm gonna share out some of this beautiful watermelon jerk chicken, sweet potato, and carrot, shredded carrot, sweet potato, basmati rice, and I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. All right, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. I am going for the plate, guys. Lunch time. See me see I got my plate right here. Yeah, we're gonna have ourselves some rice first. Yeah, look at that, guys. If you can only smell it, this is the shredded carrot, sweet potato, coconut basmati rice. Not pumpkin, guys. It may look like pumpkin, but it's not pumpkin. This is shredded carrot and sweet potato. Yeah. Look at that steak. I think I'm gonna do this guy to the wing and a leg. Yep. Need a sweet potato. Put him right there like that. Beautiful. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Good. Guys, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the potato, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This guy is well done. Beautiful. Man, I gotta put some ketchup on the chicken. Yeah, some ketchup on the chicken. Yeah. Come, spoon, stay right there, so go on. Go on, taste the chicken. Let's see, cut up the chicken. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's see it. These flies wanna die. Wow. Guys, juicy, well seasoned, Not exaggerating. If you think I'm joking, try it for yourself, guys. Bursting with flavor. Yeah. Bursting with flavor, guys. Pumpkin. Not pumpkin. The shredded carrot, sweet potato, basmati, coconut rice. I can't believe it. Get away, fly, you ain't getting any. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, I tell you. It is well cooked. You can taste the butter, coconut milk, the scallion, not mentioning the carrot and the sweet potato. Guys, I'm gonna stop talk and I'm gonna eat. I'm sorry. Unbelievable. Guys, I am literally melting in my seat. Wow. Guys, it's like I want to sleep. Guys, beautiful. So guys, thanks for tuning in one more time, where you just witness for yourself something that you have never seen before. Watermelon jerk chicken with shredded carrot, sweet potato, basmati. It's beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. Not joking, no exaggeration. If you don't believe it, guys, try it for yourself. Watermelon jerk chicken, beautiful. The sugar from the watermelon, guys, unbelievable. It adds such a glorious, flavorful taste to the chicken that you have never tasted before. No joke about it. It came out lovely, you know. Thanks again for tuning in one more time. And guys, I'm gonna leave you right now because I'm gonna finish up, heat this food before it gets cold. I don't want it to get cold. I don't want the chicken to get cold. So see you on the next journey. All right? One love, much respect every time. Be blessed, be safe.